Hey, what's up, guys? So, just this song came out today, Roster, by this girl, Jazmine, and some pretty cool jazz chords. Can show you with this. It's a B flat minor 9. So it's basically a 2-5-1 progression. It's killing my hand. B flat minor 9. And then it goes to a... You can think of it as a E flat 9 sus 4. E flat 13 kind of thing. I like to think of it as E flat 9 with a sus 4. Yeah, that's what it is. E flat 9 with a sus 4. So it's essentially the 5 chord, 2, 5, but you're doing it like. So that sus 4 just adds some tension inside the chord. And then to do the same thing, you just take this minor 9. And that's the whole song. Pretty nice if you just want to jam out. You could just have 1, 2, 3, let me jam. Pretty fun stuff. Not really used to playing that style, but really enjoy that. Cheers.